Natalie, do you take Sniffles chemistry to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do!
Sniffles chemistry, do you take Natalie chemistry to be your lawfully wedded wife? I do! Now I pronounce you girl and anteater. You may kiss the bride.
Come here, you little cute anteater.
Oh, Natalie and Sniffles got married. I think Natalie and Sniffles.
Natalie, you're my wife now.
Sniffles, we're finally married.
That means you're gonna live with me at my house.
Aww.